Remove them. Anybody get right to talk to them?
I don't say that. Don't do it. Anybody get right to talk to them? You don't go rest. You can't tell me how to talk.
People
want to tell me how to talk.
Listen, what did the man
go they punish you?
They go here.
You don't match. The man not go kill you. They come
What your opinion to talk now? Why not?
We dey bring people up. I'm not saying serious on here.
I just say you. Now you want to tell me out.
I've been because I'm
Papa Nora, good afternoon. I beg Papa Nora, this woman will see almost so drop her, she not get respect. You know why? Everybody come that place, come talk their home. And she doesn't carry the cross. You carry everybody get their own contribution. You come up now, you woman talk now, not the jail they talk now, you the customer. Because if they follow what this man do, they don't go give her €1. The man when the man they come down for that. You understand? That's why to forget what the man do. Anybody will come and not be said they go come now.
opinion.
If you want to talk, you talk.
I don't do social media for a long time. Nobody you want to tell me I'm going to take contribution. They mad. Oh, man, people just gather their side. They fast finish you there.
No, they don't.
I'm going to leave home now. I'm not talking.
No, see, you with you. You should no, they don't cost person like that.
Now your platform, now you by yourself already. Spoiler for you. Anybody want bring insult to this place if they contribute for something?
It's not good. Everybody get out.
Drop the person. Drop the Enogie because everyone have already a young one.
I just start here. If you see like the take for granted, you talk to her.
You know, if you make my mic,
treat the wife the way man treat the wife. You see her. The woman not wrong when they abroad. The woman wrong when they Nigeria. The hardest place where they had.
Yes. The
woman show and shaking. For me, I go still say make the woman come as I may talk what this man do to her because this woman sit there for the man hand. While I everybody make una not talk say move forget what the man do. Any the man where I see in Nigeria.
That is true.
How can you say we should forget about what the man did and let's focus on the children? Who born the pikin? Please, everybody, you can help. But that is it.
Let's see.
Thank you, everyone. That one is my opinion. My opinion.
Thank you so much.
God bless everybody. Thank you.
Let's see. Mother.
No, Domo. Hello. I do Domo. Yeah. Beleza. Am I talk?
Yes, talk.
Okay, you say so the first time they call you.
Yes.
You made me now this for your profile. Then name your woman. You understand? Because you understand? Most people are near the Webonia. They feel like say you arrive in nothing will happen. You get me? I will have I seen you. I can't face deportation so many years ago. You know him. I was among those people that were Mudawe, but I feel where okay, I don't arrive, not to concern Nigeria again, all those kind of matter. You get in our pop here. And then I mummy audio wa. I will not bano. The mommy say, okay. I don't see friend, I don't see brother, sister wey come who rescue me for the matter when they DP me go house. That was many years ago. As I come see struggle come enter the jam the matter. Nobody advised me say home is home. You not get they be the person that you get passport or you get anything you won't get. Make sure say you do something, go back home. Anything can happen anytime, any day. Yes. You get me? So if they're DP person, I'm not able to teach for them at all. I swear to God, because now you by yourself you don't say course. Except the person you reach Nigeria, where you reach abroad, I mean. But they don't take do how many years to abroad. You they collect money, you they enjoy life normally. Supposed to they do something back home, say in case anything happen. You understand? You not be from that place. If let me they give you their citizenship, it's not possible say they will see you as one of them. Anything you do, they can easily collect it back and throw you back home. You get so me I not go support anybody wants for free support. Me I not free support for two things. The man is here and take course, number one. Number two, he get opportunity to put things back home for himself. You not do based on say if he say nothing they happen. Now abroad I born my children, so they are covered. You get so many face into one face. When they DP me, I not see my party, my mama will rescue me. You get so I pity for the children shower who want help. You get but if I today abroad as a person, when I try to do something back home, even though I not build or when they save in case anything happen, there should be plan B. You get that's my advice. There should be plan B. No matter the documents you get for abroad, may you get plan B in case anything happen. You go see something for back so. Not pour your hope for abroad. Not be your home. You not be your home. Now it's I want to be that if I don't know.
Let's see. I felt all these things since everybody is entitled to their own opinion. I don't like the process whereby somebody will give you your opinion or they sort of for conversation. Now the Chris, now give person money. Why would do this thing? I will beg them. Now beg will beg these people to help this man. Whether they there for comment section, if you reach time to donate just now, they don't be figure. Yeah, yes, set of people.
When you are check bonneria, you are check bonneria. Yeah, be fine. I have no comment. Oh my God, drop it. I don't throw. Don't mom.
Every now one son baba na. Yeah, what color that for the baba na. Yes, baby. Now, oh, this yeah, me what women. Now, wow, social media people share. Say my name, what are people?
Taxi.
Again, yeah. Oh, yeah, well, because all those kinds of things, it's a way. If my mom is in the social media.
Enogie.
Yeah.
For my own opinion, not be even to say may they donate money for the man. The man go use the money for the children.
Yes.
That is one thing. Because everybody talking, if not be say that record leak now, the man that they talk say the woman go sign the portion and this and this. I mean,
yes.
Not be even to donate the money be the problem. The man go use the money for the kids. That's one thing.
That is true.
Thank you.
That's why we have to look for the woman now. We need to look for the woman so that we will know how to do it. You get. And we don't know now what to make the man, what to make the woman wrong. Now when we don't reach the woman, we can't know it's okay. See what to make her wrong. Hello.
Pardon mo.
Good
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You see my own opinion. You see all those people they say donate for the man because of the children. Now the children I want give her the money for the hand. Not be the man go collect and it just be like the same thing where upper woman do for papa twins. At the end, papa twins na shop the money pass. And the same thing na this man still want do so. After don't see donate money, now the children go still be like children where be say they don't even give 5 naira. Mona no they use Mona because of the children, because of the children. Now the children want shop the children I want give her the money, not be the man I want give. I mean the children don't reach to get your account to handle the money by themselves. Mona no they use be any small thing because of the children, because of the other people go still do. You say after I get pikin, they will still use because of pikin give me. Bad no go lie, you know they don't go ever come up for social media to the beg. Because another person go still come say I beg go Mona help me because of my pikin. Another one go still come, Mona help me because of my pikin. Now we sound na pikin. If una no fit una born, una no fit build future for una children. Mona leave them, make better people born them. Because all those one come they disturb. Tomorrow another person go still come and say he get kidney failure. Another person go still come and say they remove stone for his chest. Mona donate money. Mona still remember say people will still they donate. They still get families. They still get family. Person like me now, me I newborn, me I never dey work. Me I no come bring small money wey still they give my pikin now. I come dey use am take dey donate every 5 minutes for TikTok. I bet Mona still dey put am respect.
Okay.
Mona dey put am respect. No be say tomorrow now that person go still come Papa Nora, abeg, I see the one wey I do for that man because of my children. The new deporting enemy go as Mona come do. Abeg, too much of everything is bad.
That's
It's
true.
too much. We still dey donate for una. We still get our whole life to see the plan. We still get children. Like, make them suffer, oh, make them suffer. May not be like say one day they'll come knock bottle for one person yet for this internet, because it's too much. It's too much. Make that man, may you just go sit down. If you know say don't fit take care of the children, not be we send up pikin may go dey born. And they talk say because of the children, because of the children, because of the children. Other person go still come now because of my children. I newborn. You just be like that one where you help that day, Nana. That Ishan girl where they deport from Jamie go as between. I never see that lady come back again now. Come tell you say una do well or even do like 3 times. We go come know so okay, really appreciate the money where they donate for them. The moment you don't give them money, they don't go be that one. You know go like see the again. I beg go, Mona stay una ass. Nigeria people see our mama say Nigeria, they not be everybody see they live fine. Mona join them. They not there. Mona not they come like they say Mona donate because of the children. Na my opinion be that one. Because not be the children go shop the money.
See
If I not get them up. If I not get my opinion be say I know say they not support oh. They made they donate the money give the woman, not be the man.
But we need to look for the woman first before anything.
Because if they give this man, now this man go see you not doing you. Because man will feel like say the deporter say now the woman go send. So you don't feel pull like for the woman here, say now the woman go send, now the woman mean I made the deport there. I will not be that one happen, not be waiting happen be that one. So me I no advice, say make they give that man the money. Make the children there with the woman, make they donate the money, give the woman. That means you see for a side.
Okay.